Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Friday, January 8th, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Alyssa Vihar and William Oinanen Scrip. Happy birthday on January 9th to Mia Burkick and to Penny Rosipico. We hope you have a wonderful birthday. And now for our joke of the day. What do you get when you cross a vampire and a snowman? Frostbite. A reminder that today is our last day on our fully remote schedule. We begin our day promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting and goal setting, and our instructional day will end at 2 p.m. On Monday, we look forward to starting our new hybrid schedule. We are so looking forward to welcoming everyone back to campus. We sure have missed you. Don't forget to wear your mask on Monday so we can keep everyone safe and healthy. Also, don't forget on Sunday night to charge your iPad or your Chromebook so you are ready to go on Monday morning. We can't wait to see you back in the building, Huskies. Make it a great day.